Welcome to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we are going to take up 2018 awesome math problem. Here we have to find b plus c over a. Given that a, b, c are positive real numbers. Let's say required expression is e. I'll be sharing two different approaches to proceed this problem. So let me write here m1, which is our method number 1. In this method, we will assume square root a equal to x, square root b equal to y, square root c equal to z. So I can write a will be equal to x square, b will be equal to y square, and c will be equal to z square. Now we will write our required expression e in terms of xyz will be y square plus z square over x square. This is our target expression e. So we will write our equation x plus 9y plus 44z equal to square root of 2018 times x square plus y square plus z square. Now we'll be squaring both sides. So we will write here part 2 in left hand side, part 2 in right hand side. Now we can cancel square root with a square in right hand side. We will get our first equation x plus 9y plus 44z whole square equal to 2018 times x square plus y square plus z square. Let's say this is our equation number 1. Now we are going to use Cauchy-Squar's inequality. If I will write here px plus qy plus rz whole square. This must be less than or equal to p square plus q square plus r square times x square plus y square plus z square as per Cauchy-Squar's inequality. Now we will put p equal to 1, q equal to 9 and r equal to 44. So we will get x plus 9y plus 44z whole square. Let me write here x plus 9y plus 44z whole square should be less than or equal to p is 1, so 1 square, q is 9, so 9 square, r is 44, so 44 square. This is p square plus q square plus r square. Then in other bracket there would be x square plus y square plus z square. Now from equation number 1, we will write here this is 2018 times x square plus y square plus z square less than or equal to, we'll simplify over here, 1 plus 9 square is 81, 44 square is 1936 times x square plus y square plus z square, which will be less than or equal to 1 plus 81 plus 1936 would be 2018 times x square plus y square plus z square. In LHS we have the same 2018 times x square plus y square plus z square. So both sides are equal to each other. This equality will hold true if and only if ratios are equal to each other. Ratio of x over p, which is 1, equal to y over q, which is 9, equal to Z over R, which is 44. Let us assume this equality equal to K. So I can write here X over 1 equal to K, Y over 9 equal to K, and I can also write Z over 44 equal to K. Now we have to find our required expression in terms of X, Y, Z. It was Y square plus Z square over X square. Now from this equation, we'll write X equal to K. From this equation, we'll write Y equal to 9K. And from this equation, we will write Z is equal to 44K. So let me write Y equal to 9K, Z equal to 44K, and X equal to K. We will put all the values over here. So I will write here 9K whole square plus 44K whole square over K square. So 9 square is 81, 44 square is 1936. I will take K square common out. So in the bracket I can write 81 plus 1936. And in denominator we have K square. We'll cancel K square from numerator denominator, and we will add these two numbers to get our answer 2017. So we have answer 2017. This is method number 1. Now we will take up method number 2. In this method, we are going to use completing the square method. So this is our equation number 1. Now we are going to use a plus b plus c whole square formula over here. So I can write x square plus 9y whole square will be 81y square plus 44z whole square will be 1936z square plus 2 times x times 9y 18xy plus 2 times 9y times 44z 792yz plus 2 times 44z times x 88zx. This is our left side. Now in right hand side we will write 2018x square plus 2018y square plus 2018z square. Now we will take all the terms to right side. So 2018x square minus 1x square, we will write 2017x square. 2018y square minus 81y square, it will become 1937y square. Then 2018z square minus 1936z square, we will get 82z square. Then we have minus 18xy minus 792yz minus 88zx equal to 0. Now we have one clue from here to use completing the square. Here we have 18. So we will write 18 2 times 9 times 1, 792. 2 times 9 times 44. Then we have 88. It is 2AB product term. Here we'll write 2 times 44 times 1. Now we can split our 2017. So here we have 9 times 1. So we will split in terms of 81. So we will write 1936 plus 81. Similarly, here we have 1937, which we will split 1936 plus 1, because 9 times 44 is here. So 44 square is 1936. Similarly, here we have 82, which we can see 81 plus 1. Now we have to write our equation in completing the square form. We will consider, let me write all the three brackets first, 81x square. Then we have minus 18xy. Let me write minus 18xy. Then we need to write plus 1y square or y square, plus 1936 y square minus 792 yz plus 81 z square. Then we have third bracket where we will write z square minus 88zx plus 1936 x square. This will be equal to 0. Now this is 9x minus y whole square. I will write here 9x minus y whole square. Second bracket is 44y minus 9z whole square. So here we can write 44y minus 9z whole square. And from third bracket, if we will write, then we can write z minus 44x whole square equal to 0. Now we have all the real numbers a, b, c, x, y, z, positive real numbers. So we'll say sum of squares equal to 0. This is possible if each bracket equal to 0. So we'll write three equations from here. First equation would be 9x minus y equal to 0. So from here I will write y equal to 9x. From second equation 44y minus 9z equal to 0. And from third equation z minus 44x equal to 0. From here I can find z equal to 44x. Now we have to find b plus c over a, which is y square plus z square over x square. So y is 9x and z is 44x. We will write here e equal to b plus c over a. B is y square, c is z square, and a is x square. Now in place of y we will write 9x, then we have to put whole square, plus z is 44x, we will put whole square, and denominator is x square. So required expression will become, we will take x square common from the numerator. So in bracket we need to write 9 square plus 44 square, and in denominator we will write x square. X square will get over from numerator denominator. Here we will write 81 plus 1936. This addition will become 2017. So our answer using this method is 2017. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.